Look at how fast this smoke clears out. When you're managing a commercial space, a standard consumer air purifier won't cut it. You need a system built to pull industrial volumes of air. The MARK-10 series handles up to 4,000 cubic feet of space, acting as serious commercial infrastructure. This is the machine driving that airflow. It's a heavy, black steel cabinet equipped with a receiver for remote operation, allowing you to manage the system right from the floor using these included key fobs. But that raw power comes with a strict condition. The system is incredibly effective at clearing the air, provided you are fully prepared for the heavy-duty installation and the unyielding maintenance schedule it demands to stay running. Because it mounts to the ceiling, the MARK-10 captures smoke right where it naturally gathers and keeps your valuable floor space completely clear. The trade-off is that you need structural mounting points, and you will be climbing a ladder every time a filter needs replacing. Buying this unit means committing to a permanent industrial maintenance regimen. It is an investment in facility infrastructure, not a set-it-and-forget-it appliance.
The physical reality of the standard MARK-10 is that it weighs 100 pounds.
You will have to secure that weight directly to ceiling joists or build a robust support structure above a drop ceiling. Here is what that looks like properly installed. To get the maximum smoke capture in a commercial environment, you need this suspended anywhere from 9 to 12 feet off the ground. The unit ships with the necessary hardware, including industrial hanging wire, S-hooks, and eyelags. However, given the weight and overhead placement, Pure & Natural strongly recommends hiring a licensed electrician or HVAC contractor to handle the installation. Once it's up there, day-to-day operation is very simple. You use the remote key fob to switch between high, low, or off without ever needing that ladder. There is one crucial catch. The physical rocker switch on the actual machine must remain in the off position. If you accidentally leave it switched on, your remote receiver will fail to function. Absorbing the initial cost and effort of a professional installation is the most practical way to ensure this heavy unit hangs safely and operates easily for your staff on a daily basis. The air scrubbing power of the MARK-10 relies entirely on a multi-tiered filter ecosystem. These consumable layers are the actual engine doing the work. This diagram breaks down those layers. Air passes through a white pre-filter pad, then a black carbon layer, and finally a thick metal-framed HEPA box. The first line of defense is the pre-filter. The system comes with 12 of these, and you have to replace one every 3 to 4 weeks to catch large debris like lint, hair, and dust. Sticking to the schedule is critical because a clean pre-filter is the only thing protecting your HEPA filter, the most expensive part of the unit, from clogging up and failing prematurely. Next is the standard carbon setup, which includes 6 carbon filters. These handle standard odors and must be swapped out every 2 months. If you neglect this step, you will face severe consequences. Activated carbon works by trapping odor molecules in its pores. Once it gets full, or saturated, it stops absorbing and will actually release those trapped odors right back into your room. If you skip your monthly ladder routine, you compromise the entire machine, effectively turning a high-end purifier into an odor emitter. If you run a space with extreme odors, standard carbon pads won't keep up. You will need an upgrade in your carbon capacity with the MARK-10V variant. This heavy-duty model replaces the standard thin carbon pads with a massive internal structure known as a V-bank. The V-bank utilizes 18 pounds of activated carbon explicitly designed to handle heavy cigar smoke and marijuana. Because of that massive volume, your replacement schedule drops from every 2 months down to just once a year. That upgrade comes with practical trade-offs. The unit will cost you more upfront, and the added carbon pushes the total hanging weight to 125 pounds. Regardless of which carbon setup you choose, the final filtration stage is always the same, an annual metal-wrapped HEPA filter. This component captures microscopic smoke particles, mold spores, and viruses. Upgrading to the V-bank drastically reduces how often you have to manage deep odors, but it still requires absolute dedication to your yearly changeout schedule. The MARK-10 series delivers unparalleled commercial air scrubbing, but only if you respect its design and commit to the overhead installation and rigid filter schedules. This flowchart maps out the correct configuration based on your specific environment. If you manage a standard commercial space, a break room, or an area with light smoke, follow Path A. The standard MARK-10 with its 6-pad carbon system is fully capable here, provided you accept the 2-month change interval. If you operate a cigar lounge or a cannabis dispensary, you are on Path B. The 18-pound V-Bank is mandatory to handle those extreme odors, despite the heavier installation. And no matter which path you take, remember this rule: absolutely none of these filters are washable. Attempting to clean them with water will instantly ruin them. If you, as the facility manager, are ready to commit fully to the financial and physical reality of this maintenance schedule, the MARK-10 will permanently clean the indoor air quality of your business.
Ready to improve your air quality? Every MARK series smoke eater is built to order and customized for your space. Contact Pure and Natural today for a free consultation and custom quote. Our product experts will help you select the right solution for your business and ensure you receive the support you need from installation through long-term operation.